Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Welcome back, dreamers. I'm Kira and this is Homestead Dreaming. So it's about that time of the year where I need to go through all of these and all of this and all of these to figure out what's gonna go out there so that it can go in here. First off, I want to start off by saying that I got happy mail. I got this in the mail. It was addressed to me, and I'm pretty sure it came off of my wish list off of Amazon. And if you didn't know, I have an Amazon wish list that I link on every video, and I got something off of the wish list. This is the first thing that I've ever gotten, and so I'm pretty tickled. But I have no idea who it's from. So we're gonna open it. I'm gonna show you what it is, and well, excuse you, fishy. So I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you what it is because I'm pretty excited. This would be easier if I had something to open that with. I'll be right back. Oops, sorry, bud. Ooh, fancy. Oh, these got wet though. Little labels. I don't know who did this, but thank you so much. Oh my gosh. So this is technically a picture sorting box. So it opens like this, and inside of this big plastic box, there are little plastic box meant for holding pictures. They open and close, and I'm just ecstatic through the roof. So thank you to whoever you are. It doesn't say who it's from. Okay, so I already have some of my seeds organized because I already had this one right here. But the majority of my seeds are just in baskets because I didn't have enough space in my little picture organizer to put them all in. And as we all know, once you start buying seeds, it's hard to stop buying seeds. I'm gonna separate everything and then put things where they belong.
I want this in there.
Okay, we will do that.
I want this in there.
Not yet. We need to sort them out and figure out what all we have. The way I had them separated before was peppers, tomatoes, herbs, and more herbs. And then I had an overflow of extra tomatoes. And then I have one upstairs that I have my giveaway seeds that I give away on Fridays on my live stream. So if you don't watch my live stream on Fridays at 6 p.m. Central Time, you should, because I give away a pack of seeds or sometimes bigger stuff or more things every Friday. So I figure before I buy any more seeds this year, I should probably figure out what I already have because it's pretty extensive. And I honestly don't think that I need very much to get my garden started this year, but I want to make sure first. Let's start off by putting these miscellaneous seeds that I got from a seed swap off to the side. Here's loofah seeds. I've got some echinacea. I've got leek seeds, and I've got chives. And I'm gonna put these right over a chair. I'm gonna put those right here off to the side so that I know where they are and they don't get mixed up with anything else.
Life is a winding stop for traffic lights.
Uh-oh. Looks like mostly radish seeds. Mixed with some soil and maybe some perlite. There could, yeah, I don't even know. It looks like these are mostly radishes. I feel like an experiment is in our future. Well, I guess we're gonna find out what kind of radish seeds these are, because they were all in the bottom of that bowl, and I bet they're just a whole bunch of mixtures.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I let figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the